Hello, this is John with Health Quest, Minute to Better Health. Today we're talking about balance, okay? And what I want to point out is that balance is a skill. And just like any skill is, if you don't practice it, you get worse at it. And as it turns out, the people from their 50s on, they spend more time sitting than they do standing. And in sitting, you don't use your balance receptors near to the extent that you do when you're standing and doing activities when you're standing. So as we get older, frequently, a lot of times due to less time on our feet, our balance starts deteriorating. So I want to show you a few exercises that are real good, even though they seem very simple, but they're real good for keeping your balance as you get older, okay? And the first one we're going to show you is just a standing balance where you march and you lift one leg up and then the other leg up. So what it does is you're spending more time on one foot than you normally do in walking, so it gets your body so that it makes all these little reactions that you can't even think of, all the muscles that are moving and doing it, and helps you stay up like that, okay? Another one that we're going to talk about is just walking forward and then walking backwards, okay? Seems fairly simple, but as you get older, older people will walk and they'll lose their ability to catch themselves going backwards. And along that line, they'll also lose their ability to catch themselves going outwards, sideways. We call those righting reactions when we're kids. They right you, they get you back to straight. So a good one to practice for that is side steps. I really believe that this exercise is one of the very best ones you can possibly do for keeping your balance as you get older. Thank you.